Charlie Winston. Sorry, I'm very glad to see you.
Oh, good. I'm very glad to see you, actually. I was so hoping you'd be here.
I'm very happy. And could you say just 2 words in Britain? I will learn to you, okay?
Go on.
So we have a sentence we like here. It's Heb Brezonek Brezebet.
Impressionné, Brezebit.
Yes, very good. And it means without Britain there is no Brittany.
Okay, say it again.
Heb Brezonek Brezebet.
Impressionné, Brezebit.
It's quite good, yes.
Okay, cool. Nice to see you.
Nice too. Thank you.
Now my mother told me, always think that you were. And I have to say, that is the best advice I've had. If something burns inside of me, it's everything I long to be. And lies, they only stop me from feeling free. Who's it great? Feeling free. Who's it show? Like a hobo from a broken home, nothing's gonna stop me. Like a hobo from a broken home, nothing's gonna stop me. I think one. I'm never your hand for anybody's fortune, unless I have, the more I am a happy man. Yes, I am. Now my mother told me, always make the children, because some may praise you just to get what they want, what they want. Well, I said, Mother, I am not afraid. They will take what they will take. What would life be like without a human stay? Hey! Like a hobo from a broken home, nothing's gonna stop me. Like a hobo from a broken home, nothing's gonna stop me. Like a hobo from a broken home, nothing's gonna stop me. No, like a hobo.